Guys, on the early hours of Tuesday, the 24th of May, it was actually announced that one of the popular TikTok comedians in Nigeria had actually passed away. Here is all you need to know about his death. Oscar Brown died on the 23rd of May in Asaba, Delta State after he was poisoned by a bestie. Now, the story got the heart of a lot of people because actually he was poisoned the first time, which he survived, only for him to be poisoned the second time, which he could not survive. The big question now is this: who exactly is this person that poisoned him the first time and technically came the second time to poison him? His death was announced by his manager on the early hours of Tuesday via a WhatsApp chat. Well, it's yet unclear the circumstances which led to his poisoning the second time, but I could deduce that possibly he was hanging out with his friends and then they poisoned him. Following his death, a lot of his friends have actually gone out to social media to pour out their heartfelt condolences. Now, following the circumstances actually surrounding his death, it has called for more caution and for people to really know and ask if your friends are truly your friends. Now, for us to know who killed this guy, we have to know who this yet to be identified bestie is. And for us to know who this yet to be identified bestie is, we have to know his clique of friends.
Sorry, just calm down.
So, you're not breathing well.
You can't.
You're not breathing well. Okay. Okay, let's give the lenses. Let's.